Hi everyone, welcome to the Izzy Report. Today I am doing Hatchimals, collectibles. So you hold, hatch, play, and you also can color change them. Let's open it. Welcome to the Izzy Report. So it comes with one of these. I need a new one because I ripped mine. So here's the little guy. We push him out. Woo! So this is how the little guy looks. So he's a zebra and he's from the savannah. Now let's get our eggs. I popped one out. I popped one egg out, and this one's a green speckle egg. A blue speckled egg. A purple speckled egg. And another blue speckled egg. A dark one though. Woo! So now you can rub the heart to color change it. Things are cold.
You want your hands up?
Yeah. My mom's hot. My mom's hands are hot. She's warming them up for me. There we go. Okay, they're hot now. Oh, you see them coat to them? Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Mommy. This baby's ready to get born and hatched. Ah, dropped it, Butters. Don't eat it though. Here's the little baby.
Isn't that the penguin? Yes, it is.
There's a blue penguin and a purple penguin.
So that purple penguin is from Lilac Lake.
And today's my dad's birthday. If I get a blue penguin, I'll give the blue penguin to Daddy. Quack, quack. Okay, now let me do the green speckled egg. Yep. Oh, it looks like it's hatching from the bottom. I'll just keep on warming it. No, it's coming. Okay. I think this one's not ready to hatch yet. Just give it a couple minutes. I'm gonna hatch it at the bottom. Okay. If you have enough time, I can do the second Hatchimal. My mom needs to go get a massage because she is holding on her neck just like mine. I slept on the bus yesterday and I twisted my neck a little bit and it kind of hurted. Let's get a purple, pink. I mean, I just have to keep on moving. It feels like it's sticking out. So there it is, pink. And Bud's got his little toy. Now let me hatch it. A light blue egg. I think I got the other hippo, the pink hippo. Yep. So here's the baby hippo. It's so adorable. He's from the river and he's Australia. Now let's rub my green speckled egg, and it looks like I got a cute little baby coming right out, hatching from its egg. Please don't tell me that's a goat. And it's a little fox. So this little fox is from the forest and he's a common. I'm gonna rub my last blue egg, dark egg. Rub the egg. I don't open this really bad. Oh, close your eyes. I know what this one is from. Here this is. dolphin and he's from the ocean. This is my little baby. And he is a common. So I hope so you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this channel. Bye!